In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Google Docs to manage your citations, an essential skill for writing papers and organizing references. Let's dive right into it. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to Google Docs. If you're not already logged in, make sure you do so with the account that has access to your documents. Once logged in, open the document you're working on. Now that your document is up, look towards the top of the page and click on the Tools menu. This is where Google Docs offers a plethora of helpful features and options to enhance your document creation experience. From the drop-down, click on Citations. This will open the Citations sidebar on the right side of your screen, where you'll manage all your sources and references for your document. Next, you'll need to choose a citation style that fits your needs. In the Citations sidebar, you'll see a drop-down menu under Citation Style. Here, you can choose between popular formats like MLA, APA, or Chicago Author Date. The choice largely depends on the requirements specified by your teacher, professor, or publisher, so pick the one that fits your project's criteria. Once you've selected your citation style, it's time to add sources. Press the plus Add Citation Source button in the sidebar. Google Docs will prompt you to choose a source type from options like book, journal article, website, and more, allowing you to tailor your citations to the correct format. Decide how you access the source. Was it through print, a website, or an online database? This step helps Google Docs format your citation appropriately. You'll then need to fill out the form with the particulars of your source. Enter details such as author, title, publisher, date, and URL. Providing as much information as possible ensures your citation is correctly formatted. Once you've filled out the form, click Add Citation Source. This action will save your source to the sidebar for easy access. When you're ready to cite within your text, place your cursor in the document where you want the citation to appear. In the citation sidebar, hover over the source you wish to cite and click Cite. Google Docs will insert a formatted in-text citation like Smith 22 for APA styles directly into your document. Finally, let's create a bibliography. Place your cursor at the end of your document, a common location for bibliographies. In the citation sidebar, click Insert Bibliography. Google Docs will automatically compile your sources into a neat formatted bibliography. Remember, if you add or update sources later, you just need to click Insert Bibliography again to refresh it. This feature ensures that your bibliography always reflects all sources used in your research and writing. And there you have it. Using Google Docs for managing citations can streamline your writing process and ensure your work accurately